Alright, there we go, there we go. Get recording.
Alright, here we go.
Top 10 best tired moments.
That
We're only
child out
6
the window.
minutes?
We're only 6 minutes. This movie is going to be forever.
We are going to
By the way,
spend years
we're not
this.
watching this on YouTube, by the way. This is not the entire free movie on
definitely.
shout out to Not the Tragic Demon.
Yeah, no
Don't go to his channel
Yeah,
for all of the free movies ever.
Don't do that.
I don't even know what he does if I'm
Yeah,
honest,
me
but like,
neither.
you know, don't do that.
We just found this
Alright.
random dude's channel. Because free, but anyway.
Yeah,
Continue.
anyway.
10 DC.
Also, I have an ad blocker installed, so you won't be seeing any ads in this video,
I just use premium.
except for this one. This video isn't sponsored, is it?
This video was sponsored by. Remember, if we say
Oh,
it
man.
actually sponsored, we could be sued. Pan Am Railroad Company.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
Pan Am Group. The Pan Am Group.
Join
Pan Am
Discord,
Group,
link
yeah.
in description.
Yeah, do that, please.
Yeah,
If
please.
you have 300 Robux,
Yes, 300 Robux only.
please.
Please.
Or if you have the game Steam and Steel, please be honest. We have no way to check.
Yeah,
please.
just write it down in the comments or join us and show visual. You get what you
Yeah.
mean. Anyway,
Whatever. We're watching a movie.
Yeah.
I'm the pardoned turkey. I'm the pardoned turkey. I'm gonna live. I'm gonna live. I'm the
Lightning
pardoned
McQueen
turkey.
realizes
This is
he is
blowing
the
my mind. Turns out my life wasn't over, and a whole new life was just beginning.
So you know Ohio. You can't even know.
This is your new home, Turkey.
Mr. President, you have returned to Camp David.
That's General Sagan. He's got issues. That's Marcia. She eats her feelings. We're gonna have such
Dang. Dang, this child is unhinged.
I promise I will never ever leave you. Oh wait, TV! I'm tired now.
This kid has issues.
Yeah, this kid just dies randomly. Not the World War II documentary.
Previously on Mundo del Amor.
What is this?
How does he
One-eyed
understand
orphan
English?
Alejandro is thrown out of the orphanage for being different.
They threw him out too. I know exactly how that feels.
Rejected by all, Alejandro lives alone in the streets of Tijuana until one day he becomes a man.
Oh, man! Whoa!
Are you having a hunger emergency?
I am!
Do you need to eat right now?
I do!
Well, we can save the day with pizza.
Yes! That looks way better than corn!
Call 1-800
Wow.
IZZA. Get pizza delivered right now.
Call that number.
What? Whoa.
Alejandro starts
Big.
his new company, El Solo Lobo, and makes $1 million pesos. He buys a jet, he buys a tiger, and becomes Tijuana's greatest lover. No, yo soy El Solo Lobo.
Solo
Why is the
Lobo.
Mexican
I always
wearing
thought
the
being
wolf
part of a
costume?
flock was what I wanted. But maybe I was wrong. Yeah!
That's not a wolf, that's an eagle.
A warm bed, TV, and all the pizza I could eat. I finally had it all. Everything was perfect.
Wonder how many taxpayers'
This is
dollars
amazing.
he has spent.
Yeah, how many taxpayers' dollars has he spent on like pizza?
I don't know. I'd have to say the entire town of Nome, Alaska's.
Will Alejandro ever find true love? Or is he destined to be alone forever?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Pretty good destiny to me, Alejandro.
Find out on the next
Is he drinking wine?
Del Amor.
This is your destiny.
It's him! American, it's him!
I know what's going on. It's him. It's him.
It's
I
him.
know what he's gonna
I
say.
know. He's
gonna
it's
say the
him!
thing.
He's gonna say the thing!
Whatever you do, do not make a sound.
Is this a slightly darker Owen Wilson?
I'm Jake from the TFF. That's Turkey Freedom Front.
He is.
You've just been recruited for a top secret mission.
Ah! Help! I've been kidnapped by Wild Turkey! Security! Set tasers to kill! Ah!
He is a security.
Oh! Love your enthusiasm, comrade. Ah! But you're running in the wrong direction. Besides, we're already behind schedule.
We're behind schedule?
We are? Why didn't you say so? Let's move!
Look, I think you have me confused with somebody else. I'm not part of any mission.
Oh, so this is one of those.
Horizon seems clear. Hold on.
Hey, wait! It's me! The Spartan Turkey, help me!
A strange rogue turkey. Stay back. I'll take him out. Ah!
Please don't hurt me.
I don't know who you are, but you're seriously jeopardizing this operation.
Are you insane? It's me!
Is it? Is it really?
Would you get off me? You know what? I'm sick of you throwing me around. You see this line? Do not come into my personal space. Did you not see the line? Because I was pretty clear that it's right.
Snap out of it, Reggie.
Wait, how did you know my name?
Because he told me everything about you.
He? Who is he?
The Great Turkey. He appeared in the sky on a bright ball of light with a voice that came from everywhere. He gave me my mission, told me I needed to find you, and then he gave me this.
Is his face has the line?
A doorknob.
The sacred time knob.
This guy is a lunatic.
That secret military base should be right up ahead. The facility should be in here. Just need to figure out how to get past this impenetrable gate. So, this is what it looks like on the inside.
Okay, what's inside this, secret base anyway?
A time machine.
A time machine?
A time machine.
Time machine.
A time... What? Who told you that?
You did just now.
Of course I did. I was
He
testing.
has dementia.
That's our mission. Not to save 10 turkeys or even 100, but all of them. We're going back.
This is scary. We got it. We got to fast forward.
I think that's it. Yeah.
Right here. He totally gets it. Look, see how he's nodding?
That was horrifying.
American, stop the clip.
Welcome
Stop
to the
it.
Turkey Freedom.
That was horrifying.
I'm ending. Actually, is anything important happening?
Nah.
Stay in formation. In formation. Stay.
This is really dangerous.
Hold on.
Oh boy. Wow, this is a fast pace today. I love it though.
We should catch up with the others.
Wait. Just 8. That's the only thing holding me back. How you doing?
Come on.
Oh, my name's Reggie, by the way. I'm a Pisces.
I'm Jenny. I'm running for my life.
Round them up, boys.
Wait, have they gone back in time?
Everyone, this way.
Maybe. That might be the important thing that I didn't tell you about because I didn't feel like it.
Well, I just saw like dynamited horseback and thought, So they did volunteer
Yeah, they
to go
did.
back in
They
time.
did go back in time to the first Thanksgiving
Oh, anyway.
for an undisclosed reason.
This way! Everyone!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come here, you! Whoa!
Okay, he's leaving.
Great.
So, what's a Pisces?
Oh, wow.
Is everything okay?
I don't know, is it?
Oh, I fell out of the nest when I was a baby.
Oh, so that's why your eyes...
What's wrong with my eye?
I...
I'm just kidding. Whenever I get nervous, it goes.
That's not
Now-
how. That's not. What?
Yeah.
That's not how that works. I mean, I don't know the anatomy of a turkey, but hold on. What? I'm okay. I'm not a robot. Why do I have to do a captcha? Okay, all this is like either just pictures of a turkey. This is all like way too complex for me.
Anyway,
Now,
yeah.
there's just one of you.
Ranger, what should we do now? We should return home and report what happened.
No! We should attack the fort and free your captured comrades.
Furley and Amos are my friends, but we cannot risk.
What?
Is this just the B movie but with turkey?
This is nothing like the B movie.
You're right. It's more the A movie. Please don't kill me for that joke.
Get out! Get out!
Anyway.
Oh my!
Into
I hit my desk so hard it unpaused the movie.
Oh god.
I'm gonna do it again.
Well,
our home.
There we go.
I understand, sir. But the great turkey told me what I must do.
kill yous.
I know, the Great Turkey. Terrible name for an imaginary friend, right?
It is my destiny.
Well, Jake, let me show you our destiny.
Careful.
This is our future. Our destiny
Okay, I was gonna say that, but I'm not gonna say that.
lies with them. You are welcome to stay as long as you like, but as long as you are here, you will respect our ways. We do not fight. We defend. We protect. And we survive.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Reggie, look. Here. Just hold it like this.
Throw
Whoa,
it.
whoa.
Throw it.
I'm not really the baby holding type.
What if he drops it? He's gonna drop it, isn't he?
He's so gonna
It's
drop
easy.
it.
Even a super advanced future turkey can do it.
That's not how they hatch. That's not how they hatch.
He drop it on its head, throw it at the ground like a baseball.
Yeah, does it still have the soft and squishy part?
Does it look like a baseball?
It does look like a baseball.
Throw it like a baseball. Hit it with a bat.
Wait, was baseball invented by this time?
No! What do you think?
I don't know. I thought baseball was native or something. Although I think I could just be.
Oh no!
crashing it.
That was made in like the 1800s. It was made in like 200 or 300 or so years. No.
How does this relate to Jackie Robinson? What do we do about? Do we just invite him in for a cameo?
Stopped yet.
Or do we invite him in?
Stop the recording.
Alright. Go.
Is it on?
I said go!
Following rules.
Me too.
No way. Kiss me.
What did you just
What?
say?
I said, rules rule.
Rules rule.
That's not what he said.
That's yeah. He wanted.
No,
him
you
to
didn't.
kiss
That's
her.
okay.
I mean, her to kiss her. Wait, what?
What? He's a man, though.
You ready to spring some traps?
I was born ready.
Woohoo!
Ready. Okay.
Reggie?
So this is how the Battle of Midway happened.
That was incredible!
I think I might need to lie down.
So, tell me about the future. Tell me every little detail, but make it very fast.
Really? You want to know about the future?
Future.
Stealth mode. I'm stealthier. No, you're not. Popeye time. Psst.
What is the purpose of the scene in the movie?
Lore.
Ah, yes. Very nice lore.
Thank you, woodland creature.
Never taken a lesson.
I always thought in the future there would be harmony between all living things, but hey, pizza and TV sound great.
The best show is Mundo del Amor. That's Spanish for World of Love.
Turkeys don't have eyelashes.
Do they?
Okay,
Reggie.
hold on a second.
Also, turkeys aren't blue. Are turkeys blue?
Oh my god, they do?
Where?
I don't see no eyelashes. Why did it zoom in here? That made it smaller. Alright. I don't see any eyelashes, so I don't think that they have like the human kind of eyelashes
Yeah.
now.
Are turkeys blue?
Are turkeys blue? Oh my god, some are blue on there. Goodness, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Holy crap.
It's Reggie.
This movie's more accurate than I thought.
Nah, boy.
Mr. Anchovy, you have soiled our pizza with your small dried fish. Tastes like dirty sock. Still better than my wife's cooking, am I right?
Hey guys, check it out.
Do, please.
Isn't that sexy?
Thank you, great turkey. Look, everyone, I'm giving this turkey thanks. Wait a minute. I just invented a word. It's a Thanksgiving. You like that? Happy Thanksgiving, everyone!
He did it! He kissed the girl!
Oh my god, this is so peak.
He did it!
He
Give him a round of applause.
give
He
him a
done
round
it.
of applause.
He did it.
Friggin' he did
Yeah.
it.
He
Yeah.
did it. He kissed
did
the
it.
girl.
Yeah.
He did it.
He
Yeah.
did it. Yeah.
Woo. Yeah. He
Yeah,
did
he
it.
did
Yeah.
it.
Woo. Woo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he
Yeah.
did
He
it.
did it. Woo. Yeah. He
yeah,
did it.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Woo. He did it. All
did
right.
it. We have 8 minutes left. Please.
Yeah. We're gonna finish it.
So good.
Wow.
This meeting.
You're moving pretty fast for a Pisces.